Hi everyone, we're working on Conquest for cello in this video. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to give it my best shot. I'm not a cellist, but I'm going to try and play the whole thing through, and then we'll go back and play a little slower so we can play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. There goes my end pin. Okay, so you may have noticed that you thought I was going to be at the end of the piece if you're following along, but I didn't end where you might have thought I was going to end. So if you look in bar 49, over top there it says DS al coda, which means del segno al coda. So what that means is you're going to play through one time, you're going to get to bar 49. At bar 49, you go back to bar 5, which is where the sign is, okay? This little thing, this S thing with the line through it. You play, so you play through, you get to bar 49, go back to bar 5, then you play until you see sort of like this little compass sign. It's a circle with a cross through it. That's the sign for coda. So you're going to play through till there, then you're going to jump to the last line, which is where the actual coda is. So again, you play through the whole thing, get to the end of bar 49, go back to bar 5, okay, play until the end of bar 18, skip to bar 50, which is where our coda is, okay, and then play to the end. So it is recess now. I anticipate some knocks, potential knocks on my door. We're just going to go ahead and ignore those. And I think what I'll do is I'm going to start at bar 5 and go to the end of bar 18, a little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1 on A, 4 on A, 1 on A, open D, open A, 1 on A, and rest. 1 on D, 1 on A, 4 on A, 1 on A, open A, 1 on A, 3 on A, 1 on A. Okay, 1 on A, again, 4 on A, 1 on A, 1 on D, open A. Okay, then we get into where it's a little trickier now. That's why I stopped. So bar 19, well, specifically bar 21 to the end of 28, that's where it gets a little bit trickier. So we're going to really just slow it right down. There's too many notes for me to call out exactly how to play each one. But let's take a look here. 21 is all on the D string. 22, 23 is all on the A string. 24 starts on the A and switches to D. Okay, and then we have 25 on the D string, 26 on the A, 27 is a mixture of D and A strings, and 28 is all on the A string. So I know that was a little fast. You might want to rewind through the video, check it out again. You might need to write some reminders in your part. That's fine. Okay, here we go. Let's start right at bar 21. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the way to practice that is slowly and just one bar at a time. You might even need to break it down to a few notes at a time. Okay? Try and put the slurs in bar 23, 24, 26. Just break it down. If I'm looking at bar 23, I have 2 quarter notes, then 2 slur notes. So what I might want to do is just practice those slur notes. Woo! Okay, sorry about that. We're back. The lights go off when you don't move for a while. As I was saying, in bar 23, quarter, quarter, slur. So what you might want to do is take those 2 slur notes, which is a 3 and a 1 on the A string to make the notes C sharp and B. Just practice those slurs. So they're both down bow. Down, down. Just do that. Okay? And when you're ready, add the next note. Open A. So down, up, down, up. Then add the next. Down, up, down. And then when you're ready, the whole bar. Okay, that's a good tip for anything you want to practice that's a little difficult. Just break it down. You're welcome to take that bar and manipulate it however you need to work on it, to get it right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play bars 29 to bar 49. 29. 1 on A, 1 on A, open A, 4 on D, again, 4 on D, again, 4 on D, open A, 1 on A, 4 on A, 1 on A, 1 on D, 1 on D, 2 4 on D, 3 on D, 1 on D, 3 on D, 1 on A, and pluck, 1 on A, 2 3, 3 on D, 2 3 4, 4 on D, 2 3, 3 on D, 2 3, 1 on A, 1 2 3 again, 3 on D, 2 3 on D, there we go, 4 on D, 2, 3, open A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 on D, 1 on A, 4 on A, 1, 2, 3, 4, all on the A string. At that point, you go back to bar 5. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead now to the last 3 bars, which is at bar 50, our coda. Okay, so bar 50 and bar 51 is all on the D string, and bar 52 is all on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole thing. Just take bit by bit. I would love if you could focus on bars 21 to 29 because that's a really tricky part. And if you can get that, then the rest is going to be a slice of cake. Piece of cake? Doesn't matter. Anyhow, happy practicing cellos and good luck.